3 best keto soups that will warm your soul. Low-carb, comfort food. Craving comfort on keto? Don't settle for watery broth. These 3 keto soup recipes are bursting with flavor, packed with protein, and clock in under 5g net carbs per serving. So grab your pot, fire up the stove, and get ready to ditch the carb guilt while warming your soul. 1. Creamy Tuscan sausage and cabbage soup, 4 servings. Ingredients. * 1 tablespoon olive oil. * ½ pound Italian sausage, casings removed. * 1/2 medium yellow onion, diced. * 2 cloves garlic, minced. * 4 cups chicken broth. * 1 head green cabbage, chopped. * 1 cup heavy cream, use unsweetened almond milk for dairy-free. * ½ a cup grated Parmesan cheese. * 1/4 teaspoon dried thyme. * salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add sausage and cook until browned, breaking it up with a spoon. Drain excess fat. 2. Add onion and garlic, cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 3. Pour in chicken broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. 4. Add cabbage and simmer for 15 minutes, or until tender. 5. Stir in cream, Parmesan, thyme, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 5 more minutes. 6. Serve hot, garnished with fresh parsley, optional. 2. Spicy Mexican chicken soup, 6 servings. Ingredients. * 1 tablespoon olive oil. * 1 large onion, diced. * 2 bell peppers, any color, diced. * 4 cloves garlic, minced. * 1 pound boneless, skinless chicken breasts, chopped. * 1 teaspoon chili powder. * ½ a teaspoon cumin. * 1/4 teaspoon smoked paprika. * 4 cups chicken broth. * 1 can, 15 ounces, diced tomatoes, undrained. * 1 can, 14.5 ounces, black beans, rinsed and drained. * ½ a cup chopped cilantro. * 1/4 cup chopped fresh lime juice. * salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Heat oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add onion, peppers, and garlic, cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. Add chicken, chili powder, cumin, and paprika. Season with salt and pepper. Cook until chicken is browned, about 7 minutes. 3. Pour in chicken broth and tomatoes. Bring to a boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes. 4. Stir in black beans and cilantro. Simmer for 5 more minutes. 5. Serve hot, topped with a dollop of sour cream and a squeeze of lime juice, optional. 3. Cheesy broccoli cauliflower chowder, 4 servings. Ingredients. * 2 tablespoons butter. * 1 head cauliflower, chopped. * 1 head broccoli, chopped. * 1/2 medium onion, diced. * 2 cloves garlic, minced. * 4 cups chicken broth. * 1 cup heavy cream, use unsweetened almond milk for dairy-free. * ½ a cup grated cheddar cheese. * 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese. * 1/4 teaspoon dried oregano. * salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Melt butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add cauliflower, broccoli, onion, and garlic. Cook until softened, about 5 minutes. 2. Pour in chicken broth and bring to a boil. Reduce heat and simmer for 15 minutes, or until vegetables are tender. 3. Using an immersion blender or in batches, puree soup until smooth. 4. Stir in cream, cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese, oregano, salt, and pepper. Simmer for 5 more minutes. 5. Serve hot, garnished with crumbled bacon or chopped chives, optional. These 3 keto soup recipes are the perfect answer to a chilly day and a rumbling stomach. With minimal carbs and maximum flavor, They'll keep you on track and feeling satisfied. So get creative, customize with your favorite toppings, and most importantly, enjoy. Bonus tip: leftovers? Freeze in portions for quick and easy keto lunches or dinners.